Hi everyone, it's Dallas Piana from markandallas.com. Welcome, welcome. So today we're going to work on the whiteboard. Earlier this week we talked about what is a lead. And we went over that a lead is actually a visitor that you have now captured into your email. Okay? So here's your email. And it's a list. You're using an autoresponder, okay? But how do you get the visitor who is now looking at your post over here on social media, on one of your channels? How do you move the visitor from social media to your email list so that they move to a lead, a qualified lead? So what you want to do is you want to create something of value that could be a checklist, it could be a cheat sheet, it could be a worksheet, it could be a template, it could be a ebook or a guide, something that you convert into a PDF, something that your visitor, who is your ideal customer, who actually wants what you have, would want this value. It could also be a training, like a live training, or actually it's a recording training. And it could be something that you create or something that you actually have access to from somebody else that you can use to generate a lead, okay? So you're making some kind of value. So what you want to do next is to get this from the social media, the visitors from social media to email so that they can get the value, is that you want to create a capture page. And a capture page, and I'm sure you've seen it, I'm sure you have probably opted into a capture page, is where they click on a link here where they know they're going to get value. In exchange, they're going to give you their name, their email, and always put on your capture page your phone number. You want their phone number, right? Because you definitely would like to talk to this lead. So this is called a capture page. It's also called a squeeze page. It's also called a landing page, and there are probably 3 or 4 other names for it. So what you need is a service that you can create your capture page. Once your visitor puts their name and email and hopefully their phone number into the capture page, this will automatically set up, and their name and email will go on to a list that you've defined in your autoresponder. With the next sequence that goes out is an email to this lead saying, thank you, here is the value. So they get the value that you told them about, and now you have the visitor who's now a lead on your email list. Now you can really start building rapport on a more consistent basis with the email list, with your lead, because they're more likely, 21% more likely to open an email from you than less than 7% see some kind of value on your social media. So your job in marketing, if you're a business owner, is to take your stranger to a visitor to a lead, and eventually you will, after you build rapport, you can then start offering, and the lead hopefully will become a customer. Okay, so this is how you do it. You do it with a capture page. All right, so that's all for me today. See you tomorrow. Bye.